In this video, we're going to be going over the display options on your Cyber Secure NVR. You just want to right click and select menu, and then from there, go to system and preview. This will show how the outputs on the system are configured on your display. Right now we're using HDMI 2 on a 4-window screen at 1080p. If you want to change to a 1-window here or 5-window, this is how you would do that, and it would save those settings. So every time you turn the system on, that's the default way it would display. If you have another monitor hooked up, you can switch it over to the other monitor and decide how you want it displayed and which cameras you want displayed there. So if you had 2 monitors connected and you wanted to view a total of 16 cameras across all 2 monitors, you can do 8 cameras on one monitor and 8 on the other. It does not have to be in a specific order. Just delete that channel there, and then you can set another channel in its place. So right now we can do D4 and D1, right? So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 4, 2, 1, 3. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. It's pretty modular. Whatever you want to display here, it should let you do. This would be handy, like I said, if you've got multiple monitors or if you have a large system and you don't want to view maybe 16 cameras on a smaller monitor, you can hook up another monitor and view 8 on each, and that'll give you a little bit more real estate to play with those cameras. You can also enable a sequence here. When the sequence is enabled, it will play through each screen, full screen, for about 8 seconds. You can change the interval here. So if you wanted to have 1 camera on the screen at a time and every 10 seconds change to the next camera, you can enable the sequence, change this to 10 seconds, set it at 1 window. And then what that will do is that will play 1 camera full screen for 10 seconds, then automatically switch to the next camera after 10 seconds, and so on until it gets to the end there.